Hello everyone, how are you? It's Carl over at Legendary Leatherwork. What's going on today? Today I'm going to finish up the belt. I'm going to put on a couple of conchos for you. We're going to put on the tip of the belt, or the tip on the belt, the little metal tip. We're going to screw that down into the leather, see if we can finish this belt up. Okay, let me lay you down in the other bracket and we'll go from there. Let's see here. Right about there. Okay. I went ahead and put on most of the conchos. I've got 3 left that we can put them on here. What we did is wrong side. Here it is. Got the holes punched in here, got the snaps put on. There's 3 holes. So let's see if we can get those on and get these finished up. Then we'll put on the tip. Let's see. These are going on pretty good. They're nice and snug, nice and tight, I guess you could say. Turn that over, see if I can push it down in there a little bit. There we go. All we have to do is make the hole just big enough for it to slide down in. That way everything will go in just fine. You make the hole a little bit big, pretty soon down the line the concho starts turning a little bit, and the little screw on the screw starts getting loose at times. One way to tighten up the screw is to get clear fingernail polish and put it down in there, and it will kind of get a cake on it, kind of cake it up, and it'll tighten up that screw. That screw will never come out, which is really cool. Simple way, easy way to get that tightened up. These screws are very, very thin in the area where you put your screwdriver in, and it may be turning. Yeah, it's turning. They don't make the little tips in my small screwdriver very little. So, tell you what, hang on, let me see if I've got a smaller screwdriver itself that might fit. Be a little bit bigger, but then again, I don't know, there's ones I've got out here are really small. Yeah, those are too small. Oh well. We'll continue working on this one a little bit. The other night I had to hold it like so. It's hard to get a good twist and a good even consistency when it's your hand's way away from the edge of the screw. Let's see. Okay, there we go a little bit. Another thing I don't really care for is flathead screws. They are so hard to keep from messing up the thread. I just don't like flathead screws. Never have. Give me a Phillips or a hex head, an Allen hex head screw, and we'll be doing good. But a flathead, is not my friend. Okay, found me another screwdriver. Worked a little bit better, so let's see if we can get this other one's in there. That's snugged up really good. Right there, let's see. Get this one in there. Okay, that's in there pretty good. Once these screws get in and they get snugged up, conchos look really nice on the other side. Honestly, I do not think I've ever seen a concho having anything except a flathead screw. Why? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Nice and steady. So far it's a good turn. Feels like it's working pretty good. That went in good. Alright, one more. We'll be done with these conchos. Move on to this last little bit of the project, and that's the belt tip. Belt tip also has flathead screws. Very, very tiny flathead screws. They are little and hard to work, but I've started them in, so maybe they will go together pretty easily. But let's finish this up right quick. Okay. Yeah, this screwdriver is a little bit shorter, easier to get a hold of, so it's okay. Here we go. Yeah, the screwdriver kind of sticks into the flathead, which is a blessing. It's not sliding out anywhere. All right, there we go. Okay, let's see. Turn this upside down. There we go. All the pretty conchos matching up top with the stainless steel. Okay, this is a really pretty belt tip. Slides up in there real good and smooth. Alright, here comes the fun part. Putting this little bitty screws down in there without scratching the screws or tearing them up. See if we can do that. So far so good on this one. See if it went down there almost all the way. Okay, there's that one. It was really funny. One time I was working with some of these little bitty screws that go into these belt tips, And I went and bought a whole bunch of them from Tandy. And I thought, man, all I've got to do is get a magnetic tip, put it on there, put it down in that hole, and that magnetic tip will just slide right down in and do everything it needs to do. Well, got it back to the shop, started working with it a little bit, got my my magnetic flathead screwdriver, put it on there, and found out that the little bitty screws are aluminum. I was upset. Not a happy camper. Not at all. But live and learn. All right, that's good. Okay, belt tip on. Came out perfect. Now then, last little bit. Put your keeper on there, like so. Put the belt buckle on there. The belt buckle keeper and tip is 1.5 inches. Snap that first one down good. Alright, everything's trying me today. There we go. Look at that. All I've got to do left is hammer the holes. I'm going to go hammer the holes right quick. Got a little bitty oval punch that punches out the holes, and we should be done. Guys and gals, that came out pretty. Nice buckle set. Got the buckle all beautiful. It's going to come out just like so. That's a pretty son of a gun right there. Everything's big in Texas. That's a big, big belt. Somebody my size will probably wear it. Tell you what, guys, if you like what you see, go to legendaryleatherwork.com on my website. Come and see me there. Look at all the items that I have on the website, and if you would like some, I've got my email address. I've got my phone numbers up there for you to call me. And we have, we can take PayPal, and we take donations and all the above up there. And if you like the videos, legendaryleatherwork.com on YouTube. And check out all the videos. If you like them, subscribe to me. Notifications for ring the bell for all the notifications. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think about the belt. And help me be able to get some more of the videos coming out. Well, guys, we appreciate it. You guys have a good one. We're going to head out, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.